we are a tendered company. As our policy, we are going to give an preventive maintenance information. Now, here, the maintenance that we are going to teach them is a proper greasing of the equipment.
Now let us discuss about the greasing, and we are going to give you a proper information about the greasing, how to grease the fittings, how to grease the bushing, and you should have to understand that the grease nipple is in good working condition. So before you are going to grease, you have to check it properly. All the nipples is working properly. Now we are going to apply the grease. If the grease nipple is okay, then it will going to penetrate into the bushing inside. And look at this, the grease, the old grease is there. But when you are going to start greasing, now you will see the new grease will come out, meaning to say the grease is already penetrated inside into the bushing. Now here in this area, this is the turntable of the excavator, that there is a seal on this one. Now this greasing was being put more pressure, therefore the grease was come out from the seal, and it will not going to hold it at all anymore. So if you are going to grease more, so the grease, it will come out and it will not going to lubricate inside the mechanism. So therefore, it will get damaged, all the mechanism inside. Now, this boom, look at the bushing of the boom. It's already damaged. Why? Because didn't apply the grease. Now, the hole inside, which is going to penetrate the grease, it's already damaged. Now, this is the how to grease properly in the jackhammer. We are talking jackhammer because jackhammer is very important. You have to grease it every 2 hours. Now, look at this one. The bushing is already damaged. And also, if you're not going to grease it every 2 hours, the chisel, it will be break it out. How much the cost of the chisel is very expensive.